Experiencing a frozen screen, audio issues, or Bluetooth problems with your Chevy infotainment system? These common glitches can be frustrating, but a quick reset can often resolve them immediately. The most common and easiest solution is the soft reset. Simply hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. Then the system will restart automatically. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset through the Settings menu. Navigate to Return to Factory Settings, but be aware this will erase all your personal data and paired devices. For more severe system crashes, try disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This completely resets the electrical system and resolves about 90% of severe issues. The final method is the fuse reset. Locate your vehicle's fuse box, find the infotainment system fuse, remove it for a few seconds, then reinstall it. This method has about an 80% success rate for power-related issues. According to 2024 data, the average user performs about 2.3 resets per year. The soft reset method resolves 85% of issues and should always be your first attempt. These quick reset methods can save you time and avoid unnecessary dealer visits. Preventing infotainment issues starts with proactive maintenance. Keep your system software updated promptly, manage temperature exposure, and regularly clear cache and temporary files. General Motors is implementing cutting-edge technologies to improve reliability. AI-powered diagnostics can predict system failures before they occur, while cloud-based processing reduces the load on your vehicle's hardware. Seek professional help if you experience frequent issues, hardware-related symptoms like crackling speakers, or if the system fails to boot after reset attempts. Warranty coverage may be available for persistent problems. Follow these best practices for optimal performance. Enable automatic updates when available, maintain current smartphone operating systems for compatibility, and always use certified USB cables and accessories. These improvements are showing real results. Infotainment-related warranty claims have decreased by 35% from 2023 to 2024. And dealer service visits are down 60% due to improved self-service options. These advancements ensure a smoother and more reliable infotainment experience in your Chevrolet.